we imagine the breath like water or winds, but water is a good analogy, and the analogy we use is, we say, allow the breath to come into you through the route of least resistance. And likewise, allow the breath to leave you through the route of least resistance. So as you're watching your breath come in, just allow it to come in. And the more you observe, the more you notice certain areas of your body where you're kind of holding on to. All you need to do is just let go to allow the breath come in easier. And the more you observe this, the more you start feeling the sense of, in quotes, control that you are kind of like yearning for. So when we watch the breath like this, just watching it, allowing the breath to come in and allowing the breath to go, this is now when we become unified with the body. My name is Tao Chi Kai, or I'm the avatar known as Tao Chi Kai, and I'm a holistic therapist.
Yep.
Also, I'm what I describe as an urban monk. I'm like a Taoist monk.
I like it. Yeah, I like it.
But what I do is I help people with their bodies, but also I help them with their minds. And this body I like to describe as being like an animal. It's not like a car, a train, or a plane where if I was to take the keys out and this vehicle can just be left on the side of the road or in the hangar. This body is like an animal because it breathes by itself. And if you are able just to watch the breath, the character now becomes unified with the body. You can imagine being on a horse and you don't need to hold onto its reins. You and the horse become one. That's what it means to be unified with mind and body.